Today I share with you all how I prepare this delicious Nigerian turkey pepper soup. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have some turkey, I have priseke as well, a little bit, I have half bell pepper, some onion, 3 large tomato, 1 chili pepper, I have another onion, and I have ginger and garlic paste, salt, chili pepper, seasoning cube, and I have pepper soup spice. I cut the tomato, the onion and the bell pepper. I cut it into small pieces and I add it into the pot. Add some water and I'm going to cover it and allow to boil. And the reason why I'm doing this is just to remove the sour taste from the tomato. Some tomatoes can taste sour and I don't want it in my pepper soup. I add the turkey into the pot and then the ginger and the onion that I showed you guys earlier. I blend it with a little bit of water. I add that into the pot as well. I add the chili powder that I show you guys, salt and the seasoning cube, and I'm going to throw in the priseke that I showed you guys earlier. I will stir everything together, cover it and allow to boil. The pepper is already boiled right now. I'm going to transfer it into the blender and then go ahead and blend it. If your blender is not that strong, allow the pepper to cool down before you blend it. And I forgot to tell you guys earlier, this is tomato pepper soup, alright? That is why I'm making use of a lot of tomato. Once I blend the pepper, I go ahead and strain it. This part is very, very important. If you don't strain it, the soup will become thick like stew. And here we are not making stew, we are making pepper soup, alright? Do not skip this part. All these chunks of pepper, you don't want it in your pepper soup. That is the reason why I strain it. I went ahead and added more water. Alright, it depends on you. If you don't want a lot of soup, just add water according to your taste. But I want a lot of soup. So I added more water. I stir everything together. Taste for seasoning and everything was perfect. At this point, go ahead and adjust your seasoning. Once everything is okay, I went ahead and had my pepper soup spice. And you guys, I absolutely love this brand. It's my first time and it tastes so great. I always use the one that we buy in local markets. But trust me guys, this one tastes amazing. I stir everything together and then I cover it and allow to cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Back to the soup, I stir everything together one more time and then I tasted for the last time and everything was perfect. At this point, you can still go ahead and adjust your seasoning if your seasoning is not right, but mine is perfect. You guys remember that I showed you guys one long chili pepper earlier. I just chop it up with knife and then I throw it into the soup. And then I stir everything together again and allow to simmer for extra 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it guys. The aroma of the soup is absolutely amazing. You guys, it tastes so great. 3 minutes later, I turn off the heat and that is it guys. Go ahead and serve your family, serve your friends, serve yourself and enjoy. If you like the recipe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.